All right, so before I get going, I'm going to show you what was in the box. After you rip it out the plastic, it has this little nice little casing right here. This is how it comes. You get a little guarantee thing or whatever from them. You get a little Armor King logo. And then here is the actual ceramic coating. Comes in just this little bottle right here. You just need little dabs like that. And then you gotta make sure you wash your car before you get going. You get the microfiber cleaning cloths, the ones to apply. Probably get some little gloves or something. And then this is the bar that you need to apply. And that's pretty much it, man. Get some instructions. Let's get it going. All right, guys, so today is the day that I go ahead and apply my Armor Shield. I bought 2 of these. I had a coupon or something like that. It came in my email for $35 off, so I just bought 2 of them. So I got both of these for $69 shipped. It's a really good deal. I don't know if I'll need 2, but I saw somebody doing a Challenger, and they said they needed 2. So it's very simple to do. You just follow the instructions in the box, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. So I'm going to get this thing ceramic coated. You got to go panel for panel. And I'm gonna start right here since this is the way I have the car in the garage at the moment. So I'm just gonna start with this first quarter panel right here, knock that out, and then I'm gonna move along this side and just work my way around. So, hopefully this comes out good. I'll show you a finished product. I won't bore you with the process of, putting it on. It's something you've probably seen before, but really wanted to get this thing ceramic coated, and I didn't want to pay someone hundreds of dollars to do it or thousands of dollars to do it. So DIY Armor King. Not a sponsored video. I bought this myself. There's no code that you can use to get a discount from me. I just wanted to share that with you. I was getting ready to do my ceramic coating. So let's get into it. All right, guys. So I got the quarter panel done. I got that door done. And I'm working on this top half. I'm going to do this bottom part down here. The best thing you want to do is make sure it stays lubricated. And after you go down this way, you want to come across this way just to be sure that you're getting all the spots on the car. And if you see streaks afterwards, you use the other cloth they give you to buff it out. But you want to make sure you go in both directions. So you got to go down this way, and then you want to come across this way. This way you're covering the entire surface, and you have to do this to the entire car. So I'm still working on this top half. Then I'm gonna do the bottom half down here. These right here are a little tough because of the wide body, but I'm gonna go ahead and knock that out. You just wanna make sure you get a back and forth motion vertically and horizontally. If you see like buff marks and stuff from the ceramic, you can go over it, but you wanna take that microfiber cloth and buff it out. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna buff this entire side after I get it. You wanna wait 1 to 5 minutes for it to dry before you start buffing. And one important thing is you need to make sure your car is clean. Yeah, make sure your car is clean. All right, guys, so I got this quarter panel done right here on the front. I got this entire side of the car done. I got this half of the roof done, all of this right here. And I got all of the back bumper done, and I did the deck lid on the back. So what you wanna do is you wanna take this microfiber cleaning cloth, and you see how it kind of looks like there's some little spots. You just want to buff it out like this. You want to wait about 5 minutes before you buff this out. Give it a chance to dry. You want to make sure you buff in a circular motion like this, and make sure you buff it out good. Don't forget to do this panel right here. So you just want to buff it out like this. I'm not going to do the trunk yet because I just finished doing the trunk. I'm going to give the trunk about 5 minutes, but I've done all of this. I didn't do the side mirrors yet. I'm going to wait and do those last. But you want to make sure you give it a good buff. I'm going to finish this up. Then I'm going to start on the other half of the car, and I'm going to do the hood last. All right, guys, so ceramic coating is finished. Woo, it was a job. Take your time, no need to rush. and you have your car looking good. You always see people pouring water on their car. I did try the water test, and I can confirm it beads right off. So I've just been out here buffing the entire front end with the microfiber cloth included. I highly suggest you go back over and buff out the car with this microfiber cleaning cloth, or get your own microfiber cleaning cloth that you think is gonna do good on this ceramic coating. So there it is, man. Just wanna show you that you can do it yourself with DIY. If you don't wanna pay anybody to ceramic coat your car, take your time, get in the garage, do it yourself. Nice clean ceramic coating done. Now, time to put some parts on. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.